excited to see who sent me this big old box, bro. But then I remember Adidas is doing their big old restock, and if you aren't familiar with it, basically, I don't know, Adidas and Kanye, they're in a little situationship, and Adidas is like, yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get rid of all the Adidas. So they've been dropping all of the Yeezy models, the original 350s, the Pirate Blacks, the regular 350s, the 500s, the 700s, the 950s, the boots, the slides, and the foam runners, and everything you could think of Yeezy, right? And so I ordered the boots, and make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man, because I think y'all gonna enjoy this video, man. It's a lot to talk about these boots specifically, bro, because me personally, look, I got mixed feelings on them. Actually, I really don't know how I feel about them. So let me know how y'all feel about them in the comments, and then we're gonna see how I feel at the end of the video, man. But going into the unboxing, we got the Desert Boot. If you didn't know what this spelled, you can't use context clues, and I'm gonna basically think you're illiterate. But it just took out a couple of vowels so it could actually fit on the box. So it does say Yeezy Desert Boot, standard brown box that the Yeezys usually come in. Then right here, we get into sizing, says Yeezy Desert Boot again, Yeezy Desert Boot Adidas. It's 11.5. Shout out to the homie. I shout out to him because he flaked on me. This was supposed to go for him. I literally got these because, look, God works in mysterious ways, man. Originally, I wasn't gonna get them because I didn't think any of the Yeezys would really keep any of their value after the restock, right? I think everything was gonna be close to retail, especially these, because I had these back in 2019. I'm gonna say the rest of the story while after I take out the shoes in the box, man. But just know I had these originally in 2019, man. Just know. So bringing out the boots, bro. Bringing out the boots. Let me know how y'all feeling about it. I'm not even gonna give them no oohs and ahs because I really don't know. I generally don't know. But I will say, right, I did have these originally in 2019, and these were going for literally retail and below, bro. It was like literally a bad purchase at the time that I bought those, and shout out to the guy who even bought those at the time because I thought I would be stuck with them forever, man. But originally I wasn't gonna buy these off the original restock. And so I let them all sell out, and it was actually very easy to get. You had maybe at least an hour or two, honestly, depending on your size, to go ahead and grab these. So for anybody that's saying, bro, I wish I had these are so hard to get, and you're a hype beast, you didn't try, and you're just lying to yourself, and that's not good. That's not good whatsoever, man. But my homeboy, he had hit me maybe a couple months ago, and he was like, bro, when these restock, I'm gonna need them. I said, oh, cool. I didn't know if he was serious or not because, I don't know, he really don't be buying shoes like that for real. He got something in the collection, but not really, right? So I didn't think too much of it. Maybe the day before, the day of, he hit me up again. But again, money wasn't transferred nowhere, right? So I didn't think too much of it. Then the release happened. I didn't buy them. I had a peace of mind not having to worry about a Adidas restock, right? And so then he hit me. He's like, bro, I didn't get them. He said, you got them? No, I didn't buy them, bro. I didn't think they were gonna sell. I didn't know. So crazy enough, they restocked maybe like 2 other times, right after that. And so I said on the first one, I said, I'm gonna do it for my brother, man. And I got him that 11.5. Text him, I said, I got him for you. He said, man, the funds ain't what it used to be. I said, man, it's been less than 24 hours, bro. But it's all good, because I say all this to say that these still kept their value, which I was completely shocked, bro. Because I thought everything was gonna be like at retail or not, but I think it's because we're in a new era, right? Back then in 2019, people weren't really styling boots like that for real. It wasn't a trend to be styling boots, but currently we are in a boot styling phase, bro. A lot of the other models and things like that are kind of dying out. Nikes and Jordans, they aren't as popular as they used to be. A lot of people are trying to get on their own wave, and boots are making a real comeback. So, but it was crazy because they were at a super high. They were like 500 to 600 resale. I was like, yo, and then I'm like, oh, they're not gonna uphold. Then I looked like right after I got this package, and I'm like, dang, they still at 350, 400. I said, that's definitely fine. So shout out to him. I plan on still selling these. Like I said, you guys can check out my Instagram if you are interested, or you can check out that style code. I don't even think I read it off. It's EG6462. EG6462. So if you want to go ahead and type that into your search engine, you want to see them on aftermarket, because this is the only size that I got, man. But shame on you if you didn't get them, because you had any opportunities to get them. So it is what it is. But let's talk about them, bro. I don't know. I don't know if it's fake hype or not, man. Look, I'm gonna keep it a buck. If you're into boot styling, or if you want to start with boot styling, I think these are a perfect intro type of boot, right? Because I think Tim's is like, I'm from Chicago, so I rock with Tim's, but I feel like they're a little bit forced and they're kind of watered down just a little bit. And like, way people be rocking their Tim's, I don't know, it just don't really go for real, bro. But these right here, I think it's a good, because it's still got that brown work boot feel, that neutral tone to it. So I think it's still good. Retail is cheap. Retail is only $200, so I'm in Texas. I pay $216.50 after tax. And usually, bro, boots, retails, they start at $250, right? So you're already getting a discount like that on a cheaper end side. So I think that's amazing. Also, another thing, it doesn't have boost technology, but as you can see right here, like this right here, if you were able to feel it, it's kind of like soft, right? So it's gonna have a soft feel to it. It's not gonna be as heavy. It's not gonna be as uncomfortable as a regular boot, a regular Tim. And then even like that, what is that? What does this shape remind you of right here? That looks like the Yeezy slide, don't it? Right. I'm not gonna say that they're as comfortable as the Yeezy slide, bro, but they're definitely gonna have some added comfort to it because, like I said, it is still an Adidas product. It still is a Yeezy product, and there aren't too many. There's like literally maybe like 1 to 3 Yeezys that are not comfortable, and I think that's like the 700s, bro, because they don't have that boost, and they're all right to me. But 500s, they don't have the boost either, but they still have that cushioning to it. And what does this top shape look like? This is literally just a high top Yeezy 500, and I like it. Well, not exactly, because they do have the Yeezy 500 boot high, but it definitely has some similarities to it, just like the shape of the toe box, the little circles right here of the laces. Those are all those are traits of the Yeezy 500s. Now, another thing that I want to point out that's going to give you extra comfort, all this mesh right here, and this, bro, these are basically like vents. So this is going to be the mesh material. These are basically vents for your feet, bro. Anytime a shoe has that, just know that everywhere on your foot right there, it's going to have some added comfort, bro. So that's why I say these are definitely fire for if you're into boot styling, right? But my problem is, I don't think I have so much of a problem with the Yeezy boot itself. I just think that, you know, I had these in 2019, bro. And I had to beg a dude to buy these off of me, man. And so for everybody, because I was surprised even when I posted these, I posted the whole graphic of all the shoes and everybody was coming, bro, I need the boots. I said, dang, bro. I said, y'all really want them? And then I looked on stock and I'm like, dang, they're 600. I said, cause I'm thinking like, bro, y'all could just go and get these under retail. I was not aware that they skyrocketed in price, bro. But these are definitely dope. I really don't have no hatred towards them. Now, I didn't get them for myself, and I'll tell you the reason why. Me personally, they're cool. One, I'm trying to save on money, right? I have a handful of shoes that I haven't even worn yet. I have the original Yeezy, I wouldn't say original, but the insulated Yeezy boots, a real big one. I still haven't worn those. And then I also bought a Vans collab, well, not collab, but it's an On The Way Vans, and they are very similar to these Yeezy boots right here, but I like those more than these, right? And so I really don't feel the need to have both of them, bro, because I live in Texas, bro. It's literally, I'm gonna show you guys, bro. You guys can see the sun out there, bro. It's hot outside, bro. It's probably like 100 degrees outside, bro. So like I said, I haven't even worn those big boots yet. And then, hey, I'm not gonna lie, I caved in. I wanted the other Yeezy boots as well, the ones with the knit runner bottoms. And I'm gonna talk, and look, make sure to subscribe, bro, because I got a lot of content coming through, man. I'm gonna do a whole Yeezy haul with all of the shoes that I buy from, I guess, Yeezy Day, I guess, whatever you wanna call it at this point, right? But originally, I wanted the knit runners, and then I looked at them, and I forgot retail was so high. I said, dang, I think they're 2 something. They're 200, 220, something like that, right? I was like, dang, I thought they was around the same price as like the foam runners or something. And cause then my homegirl, she has the knit runners. And I asked her, man, I said, can you just send me a pic real quick, man? Let me see. And I'm like, bro, I looked up that pic. I said, bro, these are just a closed toe foam runner. And I was like, I'm not gonna pay $200 for it, bro. So I ended up buying the boot, which is a boot, which I wanted the boot originally, but it was just almost impossible to get. And then also it has the base of a knit runner. So I said, hey, even though I paid $433.50 after tax, It's basically like 2 shoes in one, right? So I made that purchase. So that's 3 boots in my collection as of now, and it's 100 degrees outside, and we're going into summer. So this wouldn't be a smart purchase to me. And realistically, I don't really like this Kai edge, how it goes up like this, but the best way to style these, honestly, is to have some type of baggy clothes over it, so it really doesn't matter anyways. But then if you have it like that, then you might as well just be wearing the 500s or something like that. So I don't know, but I think it's just definitely a good starter boot if you're into boots, if you're into, or you want to start to get into styling boots. I don't hate these whatsoever, bro. I think they're actually pretty decent. They were fairly cheap. They were fairly easy to get. So there's really no reason why you shouldn't have these if you wanted them, man. But that's it for the video. Like I said, these aren't my size, but if you do want to know the sizing for them, they do run. They're going to have that similar sizing to all Yeezy, so try and go up a full size. And they're slightly narrow. They're slightly narrow. So if you have a wide foot, again, you're going to be going up a full size anyway. So it really doesn't matter. But yeah, that's it for the sizing. And like I said, it's a super comfortable shoe. So that's why overall, just as a boot, we're just going to judge it from a boot standpoint. It's an amazing shoe, bro. It's an amazing shoe. Love the color, love the neutral, love the comfort, love the shape. Can't complain, bro. So with that being said, man, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.